Hello, this is Professor ONeal. I'm at home in my closet/office. I had a student email me and ask me, Professor ONeal, what is the best way for me to complete your class online? And so I just had to make a video response for that. So that's what this video is about. It's about how to do what you need to do in order to have the best possible outcome in my class. So I'm going to do my best. And if it seems a little choppy, I may cut some stuff out for editing purposes, but you'll get the gist of it as we go. So first, what I recommend you do is go to your D2L, your class, and go to the content section. And there's going to be the syllabus that you can click on. And then if we scroll down and scroll to the bottom, there's going to be a tentative schedule. And the sections are laid out in the order that they would be presented in a non-COVID face-to-face class. So once you see the order of the sections to be covered, the next thing I would recommend that you do is go to my YouTube channel and then go directly to the playlists. So what you want to do is find the 13-14 college algebra lessons videos and click view the full playlist. You can see that I've got a lesson video for every section and they're in order. So then you go back to your syllabus and you say, well, I need to do 1.6. So then you go and you watch the 1.6 lesson videos. Take notes, write down the examples, whatever you need to do. I would like to point out that I do have a section notes that if you click on that, it's going to have the notes from the video that I created. But after you watch the lesson video, then I recommend that you go to your MyLab Math course, go into your class, and go over here to assignments. We're looking at the 13-14 homework number 1, and it lists all of the sections that are covered in that assignment. So since I'm trying to get section 1.6 done, I'm going to go ahead and click on that homework assignment. And then if I go into here, if you mouse over a question, if you just mouse over it, it will tell you which questions come from section 1.6. Okay, so let's say that you decide you're just going to start with question number 1. Okay, so we click on that. It opens the homework problem window. And then here you can try to solve that problem that you just watched the lesson video over. Now, if you're looking at this and you're going, I don't really remember how to start that, there are question helps that you can choose that say, help me solve this or view an example. Neither one of those penalize you. They're just going to help you understand how to work the problem. But if those little prompts don't help you, here's what I recommend. What you want to do is you want to just go ahead and close that out or minimize it. Let's see, minimize. Go back to my YouTube channel, back, playlist, and I have a college algebra homework number 1 playlist. 13-14 college algebra homework number 1, view the full playlist. So what I've also done is I've created a video for every question in that homework assignment. So if I could bring that back up. So if you're having trouble with this problem, what you can do is just minimize that and go watch me work one like it. That exact same problem. Now, it's not going to be identical. It'll be real similar. But you can go watch that problem and then you can give it a shot. And then once you get that complete, then you can move on to the next one. And again, if you struggle with question number 2, you can just go back to this homework number 1 playlist and you can watch the second question. So let's say that you've completed your entire first homework assignment. So what you want to do next, once you complete the homework for 13-14, then you want to go and try the quiz for 13-14. Notice the quizzes are timed and you have 3 attempts. The homeworks are not timed and you have infinite attempts. So everybody can make 100 on every homework assignment if you just want to spend the time and never give up and complete it. All right, but for the quizzes, you've got this little green arrow here. It says you must score at least 70% on the corresponding homework assignment before you can even try the quiz. And I hope that makes sense. I want you to practice at those problems before you take your quiz over them. And I got to tell you, that's pretty much it as far as how to get through all of these assignments in your MyLab Math. I do have practice tests on D2L for the midterm and the final with an answer key. I think that's going to do it for this video, okay? So if you have any questions or comments about anything that I mentioned so far, please put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching. Can you see I'm in my office? This is let's see, where's my hand at? Here we go. Yeah. Oh, goodness.